para dama mo. Hello guys.
So guys, nandito po tayo sa Ipil Kunig.
Welcome to
Ipil Kunig, Bayongbong. Here ang Baguio.
guys, we want to fish. I want to fish, guys.
Oh, you say something. Okay. You say hello.
Hello, like and subscribe to Lani Vlog.
It's not Lani Vlog. Leilani Serami Vlog. You say more. You say something more. It's your turn to say something. Come on.
And I'm a gamer, and I live in Ilocos, Bisaya. And yeah, I was born September 10, 2016. And I almost forgot my parents' name. My mother's name is Romali Sarami, and Romali Sarami, and my father is related were Sarami. And yeah, I was born in the mountains.
In the mountains. You weren't born there. You born in the hospital.
I was born there because long time ago we have no. I lost one of my favorite people here.
Favorite people. Favorite person.
And yeah, I became old because no one liked me.
That's not true. That's only what you think.
I have no friends. I don't have boyfriend. They answer me about this. And yeah, my school is in Busiak, Bayambang. And yeah, I'm grade 5 and 2 more years left where I will have.
Oh, you speak also, Leana. Leana, you speak. It's your turn. Oh,
Like and subscribe to Lani Vlog.
Lani Vlog, no.
Lani Serrano.
No. Play. Leilani.
Lani Serrano.
Oh, that's right. What are you doing, Leana? You go down.
Today we are going fishing. But first we need to eat first before we go to the lake, I think, or the fish pond. Hey, Yana! Get up!
And meet my mama. And meet my son. And... Oh, ayan.
Sa blue deck kami ng Bayongbong kamo. Hi! Welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys! Hi guys! These are the Filipino food.
Filipino dishes. This is adobong puso ng saging. This is what we call biningdeng. And this is mais.
Puso ng saging, it is
This
the
is
heart
ampalaya.
of the banana.
Nilaga. Okay.
Wow, dragon
This
fruit.
is dragon fruit. And of course, this is lumpiang gulay.
Okay, spring rolls.
And we have a lot of rice.
Yep.
And we have Sprite and Coke over there.
A lot of rice.
And we have Sprite and Coke over there.
And of course,
And a chili sauce.
sili. The best sell. Sili.
Sauce.
Chili.
Chili. Artem, konam. Artem.
You can just get them.
Artem. Sarap. Let us see if Leandro will eat vegetables.
Then we have also native chicken. Courtesy of Kapitan and Kapitana.
Oh, thank you so much, Kapitan and Kapitana. Oh, ayan po yung pogi nating kapitan ng Ipil Kunig. Ayan. At ang ating butihing kapitana. Hello po. Ayan.
Thank you for having us today.
Mag-English speaking ka, Laida.
Thank you for having us today.
Islang mo ba sitmot
Thank you for this food.
Thank you for this food.
Mas magaling si Leandro. Leandro, ikaw mag-percent. Yung English speaking dollar mo.
Hello.
Ayan po yung view natin. Ang ganda. Super. Ayan. Superb.
The view of the mountains, of the peaceful birds chirping, and the wind blowing, of whispering to the leaves.
Oh.
Wow, is that a poem? Made by Andre.
And
Naglawat ka kamaisan datan eh, oh.
dancing because of the wind blowing.
Makikita tayo atoy.
The clouds are moving.
Tita Lani, ganyan o kaya gumawa ni Tita Jury ng ganyan.
Mm.
Yung straw. Ginawa niya ako ng envelope na ganyan eh. Folder? Picture?
Picture, magpicture na kayo.
And hello.
Cellphone nila, Andre.